If you're looking for something refreshing, naturally sweet, and packed with health benefits, this vibrant beetroot drink is about to become your new favorite. It's cold, it's zingy, and it's made with just a handful of clean, powerful ingredients that come together in minutes. It's packed with nutrients that helps your heart, brain, muscles, and more. Let's break it down in a way that's super easy to understand. First, let's start with the beetroot. It's full of something called nitrates, and when you eat or drink beets, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide, a special gas that helps relax your blood vessels. This makes it easier for blood to flow and can lower your blood pressure, which means it's great for your heart and circulation. Beets are also loaded with antioxidants like betalains. These guys fight off free radicals, which are the bad stuff that can damage your cells. And less damage to cells means less inflammation and a healthier body. Your liver and kidneys help clean your blood, and beets can support these organs by reducing oxidative stress. It's a fancy way of saying they help protect your body from toxins. And if you're planning a workout, beetroot juice can help you use oxygen more effectively, which means more endurance, less tiredness, and even faster recovery after exercise. Now let's talk about ginger and lemon. Ginger helps calm your stomach and reduces nausea and bloating, while lemon gives you a good dose of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Remember that nitric oxide from beetroot? It also helps increase blood flow to your brain, which may improve focus, memory, and protect your brain as you age. So now you might be wondering, should you cook your beetroots? Well, raw beetroot keeps more nutrients like vitamin C and certain antioxidants. So if you cook it, it may reduce some of these, but it can make other compounds easier to absorb. Still, if you want maximum health power, go for raw in your drink. To sum it up, this drink can help your heart, brain, liver, muscles, digestion, and immune system. And all it takes is raw beetroot, fresh ginger, and a splash of lemon. You can also add some sugar to make it sweeter. This drink is not just pretty to look at, it is energizing, refreshing, and the perfect way to stay cool while giving your body a boost. If you enjoyed this simple recipe, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Would you try this first thing in the morning or as a midday pick-me-up? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, refreshing recipes, all made with the ingredients you already have at home.